Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're taking a closer look at NextSeed, a platform found at https://nextseed.com. NextSeed offers an intriguing approach to investing, connecting individuals with opportunities to support local businesses. It facilitates a unique type of crowdfunding, allowing everyday investors to contribute to the growth of companies they believe in while potentially earning a return on their investment. Essentially, NextSeed acts as a bridge between businesses seeking funding and individuals interested in supporting local ventures. The platform emphasizes transparency and aims to provide investors with the information they need to make informed decisions. They showcase a range of businesses across various sectors, allowing investors to diversify their portfolios within their local communities. NextSeed carefully vets the businesses listed on its platform, conducting due diligence to mitigate risk and ensure a certain level of credibility. This vetting process is designed to instill confidence in potential investors and provide a measure of security for their investments. One of the key features of NextSeed is its focus on community development. By supporting local businesses, investors are not just seeking financial returns, they're also contributing to the economic vitality of their neighborhoods. This localized approach to investing fosters a sense of connection between investors and the businesses they support, creating a mutually beneficial relationship. It empowers individuals to become active participants in shaping their local economies. Beyond financial returns, NextSeed offers investors the opportunity to engage with the businesses they support on a more personal level. This can include attending special events, receiving exclusive discounts, or simply staying updated on the company's progress. This deeper level of engagement fosters a sense of community and allows investors to feel more connected to the businesses they've chosen to support. Investing through platforms like NextSeed carries inherent risks, and it's crucial for potential investors to conduct their own research and carefully consider their financial situation before making any investment decisions. While NextSeed performs due diligence, it's important to remember that no investment is guaranteed, and losses are possible. Understanding the potential risks is paramount to making informed choices and investing responsibly.